Sound suppression water system now being armed for release. Confirmation we have 3 main engines ready for ignition.
It's your final voyage. This is both a sad and proud moment for your launch team and for America, but your legacy will live on. Mission success with AMS, a truly international effort. Godspeed, and see you back in a couple of weeks.
Endeavor copies. Thanks for the words. Appreciate it.
Space shuttle now on internal power.
Liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen fill and drain valves are closed.
Solid rocket booster flight data recorders are activated.
JLS's go for orbiter APU start.
PLT OTC perform APU start.
PLT, that's in work.
CDR OTC reconfigure heaters.
OTC PLT APU start is complete.
Copy that.
OTC CDR heater reconfig complete.
Copy all.
We'll be starting the orbiter aerosurface profile test in just a moment.
JLS's go for post sequence 4.
Verifying that the main engines now are in the start position. Pressurizing the liquid oxygen tank.
Go for EP LO2 pressurization.
I'll now be retracting the gaseous oxygen vent arm.
OTC clear caution and warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors.
PLT, that's in work.
CDR OTC reconfigure heaters.
OTC PLT APU start is complete.
Copy that.
OTC CDR heater reconfig complete.
Copy all.
Liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen fill and drain valves are closed.
Solid rocket booster flight data recorders are activated.
T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 20 seconds.
Falcon 9 is configured to flight pressures.
T-minus 15. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff. Falcon 9 is clear the tower.
Booster officer confirms staging the good solid rocket booster separation. Guidance now converging.
Now converging. Atlanta steering into the center lane of Highway 129 en route to the International Space Station.
2 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight, 34 miles in altitude, 48 miles downrange, 3,200 miles an hour.